Welcome to PartsHnC. Today we're diving into the complete guide to HVAC air conditioners, types, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Air conditioners are essential for keeping your home cool and comfortable, especially as global demand for energy-efficient units surges toward a $100 billion market by 2025. Let's explore the different types of ACs. Central air conditioning uses ducts to circulate cool air, ideal for whole home cooling, but requires careful installation to avoid high utility costs. Ductless mini-split systems are perfect for individual rooms, with up to 4 indoor units connected to an outdoor compressor, each with its own thermostat. Window air conditioners are compact, great for single rooms, while portable units offer flexibility and easy setup. Geothermal systems leverage stable ground temperatures for sustainable cooling, and hybrid ACs switch between electricity and fossil fuels for efficiency. How do these systems work? They remove heat and humidity using a refrigerant cycle involving a compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve. When choosing an AC, consider capacity, measured in BTUs or tonnage, energy efficiency, look for high star ratings, price, and proper installation. Regular maintenance is key. Clean or replace filters monthly, wipe down indoor and outdoor units, and check condenser coils and refrigerant levels. Schedule annual professional inspections to ensure peak performance. Common issues include insufficient cooling, check filters or refrigerant, strange noises, loose parts or worn motors, leaks, clogged drain lines, or thermostat malfunctions. AC repair costs vary. New units range from $1,000 to $10,000, labor from $500 to $2,500, and thermostats from $125 to $275. For replacement parts or upgrades, visit PartsHnC for quality components from top brands like Trane and Carrier. Subscribe for more HVAC tips, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and check our blog for detailed guides. Thanks for watching.